Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the NuPhy Halo65 HE. It's a 65% magnetic switch gaming keyboard priced around $90. It has a similar design to the Halo65 V2 but has better specifications and features for a Hall effect keyboard. In the box, there's the user manual for the keyboard in multiple languages, and it also doubles as a poster, a color match Type A to Type C cable, a 2-in-1 switch and keycap puller, 6 extra keycaps, a hard plastic protective cover, and the keyboard itself, which weighs around 780 grams or 1.7 pounds. So the keyboard has the standard 65% layout with an aluminum top case. It has the Halo65 HE engraved on the top right corner and a RGB indicator on the top left. Besides that, it comes with this grey and orange cherry profile double shot PBT keycaps with a thickness of 1.3mm, Gateron magnetic Jade Pro switches that have a talkie sound signature and comes pre-looped out of the box, plate-mounted stabilizers that are looped as well with the NuPhy spacebar silicone and ghost bar mode included, a top-mounted aluminum plate for a stable user experience, and a hot swap south-facing PCB with per-key RGB. Speaking about the RGB and lighting on the keyboard, it comes with a few effects preloaded and is very bright and saturated, but it can look a little tinted due to the color of the switch housing. There's also the Halo side lighting, which has a few effects as well, and it wraps around the whole keyboard as you can see. The side profile looks like this with a 5-degree typing angle, and it can be increased to 8.5 or 12 degrees with the height adjustable feet on the bottom. On the front, there's some text on the left and right, and it has a height of 18.4mm. On the back, there's just the Type-C port and the toggle switch for macOS, Windows, and gaming mode. On the bottom of the keyboard, there is 4 rubber feet, the 2 height adjustable feet previously mentioned, and the NuPhy logo and keyboard name in the middle. Moving on to the teardown. The construction of the keyboard is really solid as there is 13 screws holding the keyboard together. With the keycaps and screws removed, the top and bottom case can be pried open as it's held together with clips on all of the sides. After that, the cable connecting to the daughter board can be disconnected before the top case can be taken out. The plate and PCB is mounted to the top case with 6 screws, and with the screws out, here are the mods included. The aluminum plate and PCB is mounted together like this, and there's a poron foam sandwich in between and another poron foam on the back of the PCB. In the bottom case, there's a thick piece of sound dampening silicone and the daughter board mounted at the top left corner here. Diving into the specifications, the Halo65 HE has a polling rate of 8000 Hz with 0.25 milliseconds of latency. It also has a 0.1 to 4mm actuation range and a 0.02 rapid trigger sensitivity. Not only that, it also has all of the features of a Hall effect keyboard like rapid trigger, hyper tap, dynamic keystroke, and SOCD, which is similar to snap tap. The keyboard also has NuPhy IO support, so you can remap all of the keys and layers. Right click to access all of the Hall effect features I just mentioned. Set the actuation and reset points alongside rapid trigger. Import and record macros. Configure all of the RGB lighting on the keyboard, and access other settings here. My experience when gaming was great as the keyboard felt snappy and faster than my other keyboards. In my opinion, this keyboard does provide a slight advantage over the traditional mechanical keyboards, but I would advise you to watch a more in-depth gaming review on the keyboard. Anyways, that was everything about the keyboard. Now please enjoy the typing sound test. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the NuPhy Halo65 HE. Overall, it's a solid 65% gaming keyboard with impressive specs, especially for a Hall effect board around $90. The build quality is top tier from NuPhy, and it has a satisfying typing feel with a bit of torque, RGB lighting that is integrated tastefully, and a gaming experience that is fast and smooth, especially when paired with the high-end specs and customization options, which allows you to easily adjust everything to fit your gaming style. So if you're interested in the NuPhy Halo65 HE, it will be linked in the description below for you. And that does it for this video. Thanks to NuPhy for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.